नमस्कार। भाइयों और बहनों को नमस्कार। सभी भारतवासियों को नमस्कार। आपको और आपके परिवार को शुभकामनाएं। योगस्थः कुरु कर्माणि संगं त्यक्त्वा धनञ्जय सिद्ध्या असिद्ध्योः समो भूत्वा समत्वं योगमुच्यते. In Hindi, the word president is known as Rashtrapati. This Sanskrit neologism meaning the lord of the land. Rashtrapati is the head of the state and is the first citizen in India. He is the commander-in-chief of the Indian Armed Forces. Although the Article 53 of the Constitution of India states that the President is vested with such powers by the Constitution of India, their position is largely a ceremonial role and the executive powers are de facto and not de jure. The President is selected by the Electoral College, composed of the elected members of the parliament houses, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, and also the members of the Vidhan Sabha, the state legislative assemblies, or by mutual understanding and cooperation. Indian philosophy and Indian constitution makes the President of India as the first citizen of India, first line officer and the first public servant in the democratic India. The President of India is the head of the state and the system of government of India is a cabinet form of government.
Pachari is marching towards a corruption-free India to retrieve the democracy from the mafia of corruption. The mafia of corruption is not defined, is not restricted to anybody, is not and is near everybody. Everybody becomes corrupt sometimes and do not become corrupt sometime. That is the mafia. These are the words of Arjuna. Arjuna is weeping and he says, Adharmaha abhibhavat Krishna. That means adharma is becoming predominant in the society, in the nation, in the individual, in the family and in the administration. In the parliament also, I say, and Arjuna is weeping, Adharmaha abhibhavat Krishna. He's telling Krishna, oh Krishna, what are you doing? Adharma is predominant everywhere. And he says, Pradushyanti kulastriya. That means, Pradushyanti means pollution of kulastriya, or family woman. He cautions Krishna and he cautions the nation that Pradushyanti kulastriya. The family will become polluted and the woman, mother and sister will get polluted because of the mafia of corruption. He says again, Strishu dushtasu varshneya jayate varna shankaraha. he says that the race will become predominant problem. And the Strishu means woman, Dushtasu. Dushtasu means criminals on woman, criminals on the beauty of woman. Strishu dushtasu varshneya jayate. The word varshneya jayate. Varshneya means descendant of Rashni. Womanhood will become polluted. I am prepared to host the presidency. With the confidence showered by the Parliament of India. There are many problems which stinks Indian democracy, and bribery is the first problem in the vital sector of financial disputes, financial irregularity and illegality. Please take it from me. There are many evil forces in the Bar Council of India. In the same way, the chartered accountants enrolled as the institution of Chartered Accountants of India. Few of the chartered accountants are viral thugs that is haunting Indian democracy and the Indian judiciary. As a viral thugs, I repeat again. And no less, nothing less can be said about the Indian Medical Council. They are robbers of common man with a black wealth. The financial ministry is silent on these thugs, thieves and viral culprits. There is no need for emergency. The existing laws are quite sufficient to destroy these evil forces of Indian democracy. We should prevent the entry of these evil forces into the parliament.